Hey, welcome to Aluglobus. This is our wholesale division and how it works. What's the process? You're looking for a gate, fence, or wall cladding system, or even a pergola. We're here to help. So how it's going to work? If you're a homeowner or contractor, you're going to send us your sizes, pictures of the area, a little draft. Don't need to be an engineer, and we're going to help you step by step. One of our crew members is going to call you and start asking you questions. What kind of design you want? We're going to send you also where to go to get the designs that you can choose. We can go on our website, on our portfolio, our projects, or on the shop card as well. Keep in mind, we do have discounts, so always ask for it. And from there, we're going to go over, choose the design, and then we're going to offer you a heavy-duty gate system or our DIY universal system. We'll explain to you a little bit more on that and explain what is benefit you. Every project is individual. If it's cladding system, we have our tongue and groove system. We have our click system, and we'll also advise you what works best for your project. And at Aluglobus, we take everything seriously. Proudly made in the U.S. We have CNC parts that we extrude, like these beautiful caps for our posts. There's no screws visible because there isn't. Very thoughtful, very engineered. Same thing with our heavy duty gate system, where we engineered an inner brace that is 316 gauge, and it takes the load of a monster. And this will minimize your sag almost to zero. It's a super heavy duty gate system. You're able to put brackets of motors, sliding gates. It's damn heavy, made in the US. 63 T6 alloy. That's what you want on your gate or fence or cladding. And it puts us apart from the competition out there because we take seriously and proudly on our systems. Our sister company installs since 2009, and we need to outperform the market and give you what actually works and be budget friendly at the same time. But we're not reducing quality because quality matters. And we're not talking about a 6-month project that you need to perform and then sell the house fast. If that's the case, then we probably won't be the address for you. We're focusing on quality, reducing also the price for it as well, keeping the quality. And what I want to basically say is our sister company installs and we need to outperform. And that gives all the difference with Aluglobus. We will take time and understand what you guys need, what the project needs, and really get you and build you what is actually necessary. If you're also close by, like Utah, even, Michigan, we can send it to you fully built. Obviously, close by will be easier. If not, we can send you all the pieces individual, and you can build it on your own. We do have subcontractors throughout the state, so that's going to help you there. So that's pretty much the process. Gate, fence, or wall cladding, we're here for you. Designer, homeowner, and contractor. Come and enjoy systems that actually work, actually perform, and do look very, very good and very, very strong. Aluglobus, giving you the futures since 2009.